Hey, what's goody? My name is Marco, and I screen print and own stunt. And today is fucking monumental. At least for me. I'm moving my operation to a larger space, which is very exciting. It's gonna be cooler to be able to have the space to expand and to just be able to create more with the bigger the better, I guess. But yeah, today is gonna be really cool. I have mostly everything packed up already, so the boxes, that's gonna be easy to lift. But the one thing that's incredibly tough would be this press. It's like 2,000 pounds or something. So have a couple friends coming by to help me pack it up, and yeah, definitely very, very cool. Very, very fortunate to be able to be moving into a larger space within under a year of being in here. Like, this was the space that I thought I was going to be in for like the next 5 years or whatever. Oh, I'm going to let my business grow. Like, this is it. I'm going to stay small and blah, blah, blah. But fortunately enough, it's wild. It's absolutely wild to grow faster than I thought that I would, and to have the opportunity to be in something much, much bigger, and to start building like an art factory, not just like, oh, this is a studio, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, creating something that is genuine and authentic and made by hand in America. That's like my end goal, is to have American-made goods, and they're done with craftsmanship and with just authenticity. So yeah, I'm just very, very excited. And I'll probably show you some more along the way. So very, very cool stuff. But yeah, we'll get into it a bit later. But for now, it gets pretty rocky. So a little over a year ago, I quit my day job, like as a full-time job. But it was the job that allowed me to start screen printing. So just feel pretty cool. Within a year of quitting a job and signing one lease at a smaller space, and now a year later signing another lease at an even larger space, it warms my heart, really. It's something that I don't know. I can't really put into words. It's just feels good. Feels good to have the support and to be able to create every single day. And having a space like this is like more of an art factory than it is a print shop, because there's just way more that I want to do and way more that I would like to get to, but one step at a time. And so far, like, the steps that I've taken have led me to a larger space and to get a cooler facility. So yeah, just show you what it looks like on the inside, and show you a bit of my I don't know, my intentions with the space. So this is it. This is all 2,300 square feet of it. This is all mine. So you might be asking yourself, Marco, 2,300 square feet, oh man, you're a one-man band. How could one person use all this space? That's a very great question, and I don't know the answer to it just yet. Press went really, really easy. Way easier than anticipated. So.
Oh, smooth interview?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. We're not done yet.
No. We gotta unload it. It's easier down than it is up. So if that was easy, then coming down is gonna be way easier. Nice. It's big. That's huge. That was like the meat of it, the meat and potatoes of the situation. Okay, so I just want to give you a layout of just the space, and this right here, you walk through the door, and then there's an overhead garage door, which is very, very convenient for UPS or USPS or FedEx can just back right in. So like this is shipping zone, I guess. And truth be told, there's like way too much space to even think about, where I don't know exactly how I'm going to utilize it, but I kind of know where the printing is going to go on, and stuff like this. This is my corner, right? This is where I'm trying to assembly line it in a way where shirts will get kicked out and then stacked and then boxed and then at the garage door. That way it's streamlined or whatever. That's the fancy term for it. Back here, I'm not too sure still, but I think my girlfriend, she's gonna kind of put some of her equipment here too, and we'll fill it up over time. But for now, it's just a bit. It just carries an echo. So, and now over this way, we have another. This is like going to be the sewing room. This is where like hoping to get some nice tags. Some nice stuff stitched in and woven labels. That type of thing. So. Have this room kind of just for like soft good sewing and stuff like that, and over here just so another thing, all this the presses and the dryers and stuff like that, this is what it's all going towards. It's not nothing's frivolous. Like I'm not using money and just I don't know, having a nice day out in the park or something. This is building something that's going to be a foundation for years to come. It's exciting. So I just want to let you know that I'm eating peanuts over here. That way that I can buy nicer pieces of equipment, and I can deliver nicer things that actually hold a bit of value, and they're not just as disposable as I don't know, like a fucking Thrasher T-shirt or something that you get at anywhere else. But this is something that I feel is a bit different, and I would like it to be a bit different, and to kind of, I don't know, bridge the gap between something that's so distant and manufactured overseas, like many other brands, and something that is here and organic and from the ground up. So follow me over here. There's plenty more to come, and I'll show you. This is a dark room. This is, going to be converted into all my screens. There's a washout booth that's going to be installed here, and chemical shelf. All this. It's just going to be like cleaning and screen room, and some sort of, I don't know, exposure unit soon to come. But one thing at a time, one piece of it, one piece at a time. This right here, this room, I have no idea what it is. So, still gonna figure it out, but whatever. Over here, this, man, oh man, thank God there is a shower, because if shit hits the fan, I'm living in here. Like this is where it's going to be, it's a testament, I guess. It's going to be, this or bust, because I'm completely tapped right now. You start from zero, right? You go back to ground one. So everything that I have is put into this, and you start from zero, absolutely zero. So it's a risk. You put every single egg in one basket, but it's a basket that's hopefully going to I don't know, become some sort of cornucopia of, I don't know, creativity. So thank you for checking out the studio, and thank you for getting me here, because, you know, the more that I develop, the better everything will be for the people who support it. And, you know, I will just try my hardest to be, you know, the best, I guess. I don't know. But thank you so much for checking it out. And au revoir, arrivederci, buongiorno.